I felt that. I know he felt it.
Wow, that is blue water. Holy cow.
Little baby, say hi. Say I'm in Mexico. I'm in Mexico. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know it's been a freaking minute, but I'm not gonna lie, I've been lazy in making videos. But guess what? We are on another vacation with my baby. We are in Mexico, in Cancun, right, baby? Yeah. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jane Lease, but I would rather you guys just call me Jane because my name is pretty hard to pronounce. But yeah, welcome. Right now we're checking into this hotel we've never been to in Mexico called Cidas, and it's more like a children's hotel, so he should be happy about that. Right now Jaime is checking us in, right? Where is he? Wait. He's right there somewhere. I don't know, I can't really see. Jaime's checking us in, and yeah, it's so hot. Oh my god. And I have all this on. Tell them how bad you was in the airplane. Yo, traveling with a toddler is no joke. Kudos to moms and dads that deal with toddlers on the plane. Like, I'm sweating like crazy. My mustache is sweating. But yeah, it's tough. It's tough. Well, as parents, we got this. Yeah, now he want to be all cool and chill, but he was being terrible in the plane. Say your name. Say your name. Say Jace. No. Stuart. Yay. Look how beautiful this hotel is. There's water coming down the wall. Look at Jaime right there checking us in. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. I just realized that this hotel has a whole bunch of stores in it, like Starbucks. It has like things to help you do like excursions. They have arts and crafts, so they have like a thing to help you rent a car, a spa. Excuse me. Whoa. Look at Papa. This is super high. Wow. Come on. It's so hard to push the stroller with the camera. What's so special?
Huh? So what's so special?
Yeah.
It's not the special ones. You get the thing, you get the special. You
Then
say you have a nice room.
We thirst buckets like that.
Oh,
These are the kind of water bottles I like to see. I mean, our room, it looks cute.
Y'all view is trash.
I mean, at least we have some kind of view. It's not the best, but it's still something. This one's been a bad boy today. Come on, let's go in. Go in, you gotta take a bath.
I'll get some eat. Oh,
So come on, let's go something to eat. Come on, Chase, come on. Come with some shorts.
yeah.
Chase, come on. Come on, let's go. This kid acting. Oh yeah. Come. Come on, come inside. Come inside, little boy. He don't want to come in. Okay, go back, go. What's in there?
Beer and
The usual. We don't drink them sodas. Where's that manzanita, son? That's apple juice? Watch this kid. Come in here.
Come. Why not?
Here.
Open.
I mean, it's cute.
Wow.
It's cute. So the bathroom has this toilet in the corner, the closet, what is this? Oh, let's say, yeah, we need that.
Come on, Dave. Put some shorts on. Come. Come here.
Yeah, so let's go get something to eat because I'm hungry. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at all the floors. So cute.
Those restaurants that he was saying, see if there's any reservations.
Check this out though, how we open our room door. It's giving it the Spa Castle vibes. Is it open? Malfunction. There we go. We're back in the room, kid. Okay, so we just came back from eating crepes. The cafeteria is actually transitioning to dinner, so we couldn't eat nothing yet. So we had to eat something. I mean, we couldn't go in to eat. It was what I meant. We couldn't go in to eat because they're transitioning to dinner from lunch. Well, that's the regular cafeteria. They also have restaurants and stuff like that. So we just ate crepes for now until they open up, which is gonna be soon. They open at 6 o'clock. So yeah, my son drinks a certain kind of milk, which is almond milk, and we are on the verge to find some almond milk because they only have cow milk and soy milk in this hotel. Yeah. So I'm feeling a little nervous because Jaime went to go take the bus to, I don't know why I'm always vlogging so close to my face. He went to go take the bus to a nearest supermarket that the concierge told him about to see if he could find Jay some almond milk. I wanted to go all together, but he's insisted that no, that how we're gonna go all on the bus with Jace and the stroller, blah blah blah. I don't know. I just hope Like, I'm just praying right now that, you know, he gets there safely, comes back safely. I'm nervous. But yeah, right now I'm gonna take a shower. We still have on our airport clothes. Yeah, so when he comes back, we're just all ready to go to dinner. And just like look around the hotel and see what we, you know, and just look around. Look how cute. I don't care what he said about the view. It's still a view. It may not be like the directly towards the ocean, but it's showing like a hotel. It's showing, you can still see the ocean, and then the palm trees or whatever. It's still cute, right, Jace? I had to put my hair because it is humid AF, and see how dark it is in the room. Let's turn the lights on. I'm a light person, so let me turn these lights on. Okay. Hey. Well, yeah, so let me change my clothes and I'll be right back. This is pretty. The same view we have from our room. Wow.
Oh jeez. Hey. Hey. Like it?
Wow. We're gonna try again tomorrow in the sunlight because it's pretty dark.
Digging it? At least now it's empty. Daylight is flooded.
Nah, ain't happening there at all. I know this vlog is a little all over the place, but let me explain. It's been tough to vlog, and it's just like you kind of want to live in the moment and not vlog. And yesterday we were like more settling in or whatever, so we was enjoying the night. Then we also noticed that our fridge wasn't working properly, so they changed our room to one bed, a king size bed. So that's what we got now, and then right now we're gonna hit the beach. That's why I have my bathing suit on with my little fat pack. It's all good though. Right now I'm gonna put my contacts in, so I don't want to throw my glasses on the beach, and yeah, see you guys there. Now we're on our way to the water park for Jace. This is so cute. Wait for me. You know I can't run if I have a malfunction. Jace is ready with his floaty. Jace. Yeah. Go baby, go baby, go.
Sit down, sit down. Go, go, go. Go.
Go, baby. Sit down.
Come on. Go, 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 go. Go. Come on. Come on. Whoa.
Fox. Make the word fox.
So, you can't even see the menu.
Yak,
Okay.
yak, yak. Y. A, K. Y. Y. A, K. Owl.
I can't wait to see Jace.
Make the word
Jace
owl.
food. Owl.
Owl. Owl.
My hot date.
K.
Yo.
Huh? Want him?
You need to bring that bottle back. It is not that strong, honey.
Make the word wolf.
They better put some ice in there. Hey, yo, you got his mouth wide open.
Huh?
You got his mouth wide open.
Guys, look at your food. Look at Jello. Jace Jello.
You think it's a toy?
That's so cool. Show him that it's food.
Let me taste it first.
How it tastes?
Shit nasty.
Yeah, it just looked pretty. That I couldn't even see his reaction.
It's not.
Look at this boy, look what he does. Jace, look. Come here, look. Hey y'all. Hey guys. So I've been doing a terrible job vlogging for you guys. But like I said previously, I just want to enjoy like the moment with my family and not really vlog, honestly. Like I would like to vlog to keep it, you know, as a memory, because this is my son. This is Jace's first international trip to Mexico. So yeah, that's why I wanted to vlog it, just to have it as a memory. But it's been tough. Like it's just, to be honest, this is the first time I go to like a family hotel. So, and then also after COVID, so like it's not really like so many things you can do here, you know, like after a certain time it's like just go to your room. So I don't want to film us in our room just chilling, you know? Like, do you guys want to see us just hanging out in the room? I don't think so, right? But anyway, it's been so far it's been nice. The only thing, I feel like the food could be a little better, which is why I haven't really been vlogging when we go out to the restaurants, because yeah, I mean, the food, it looks like it's presented very well, the way it looks or whatever, but the way it tastes, I don't know about that. You know, I feel like it should have been, I mean, it could be better. But anyway, right now we are on day 3, I believe, yeah. And we got breakfast in our room, and this is what it looks like right here. We got some fruit, we got some toast in here, we have some bacon. What else we got? We got some scrambled eggs, I think, hash brown, bacon, and sausage, and the beans. Over here we have, I believe that's French toast. More French toast. And then last but not least, we have the same thing like the other one. Scrambled eggs, hash brown, sausage, bacon, and beans. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy that, and then we're gonna hit up the pool because we haven't even gotten the pool yet. I need to get some sun. I haven't even got a tan, nothing. Like, we're slacking. But yeah, let's eat this real quick so we get ready and go downstairs. Let's go to the pool. Even you, it looks kind of foggy. My camera. It's so humid that the camera is freaking foggy. Oh, look great. My freaking hair is all flat with the frizzy. Whatever. Three swimming pools, like an infinity pool, one there, one here, and then one up there. Then we got the beach back there, which we're gonna go back there next. It's so hot. Babe, he just put water in his mouth. Jay's taking his nap.
Coconut mojito. You want to do the coconut one?
So it says buy the mango.
Nah, it's good. It's I'm a coconut cat.
Let me see.
You're not gonna like it. Come on, dog.
There's no that shit in there. It's not bad, it's sweet.
It's no licks.
Keep to it. My hair's fucking
When they
getting
do
fucked
put
up.
licks, they
Again.
don't put no.
It's so hot in here, they don't have AC. We're gonna eat. We're gonna shrimp tempura, a chocolate martini. What you got?
It's called domisu. Domisu.
It's giving me miso soup vibes.
See what's going on there. We'll keep that going.
I don't have my little tripod. Let's try it. I don't have, that's it, the sticks out. I wanted some spicy mayo. I don't know if they got that here.
You want the what?
Spicy mayo sauce. That's what it's good here. Sushi. Like an eel sauce is good too.
Eel sauce?
Eel.
I'll be safe. It's like a creepy corn.
There we go. You like yours?
Tastes like soup. It's spicy.
I like it. It's like it has like cream cheese in it.
That would have got me tight.
Struggling to. I like this.
You?
Mushrooms. These are mushrooms, man. That's not even. Maybe one more. Oh, octopus.
Or seafood.
This restaurant is good. I'm fucking with it.
Chicken teriyaki, I think.
Hard to see. What's that? It's cool.
Chicken teriyaki.
But it's just chicken by itself with the rice at.
Nah, that's the appetizer.
Oh. Alright, let's finish eating. This is our appetizers. I got this noodles with chicken and veggies. And what you got? You have the same thing as Jace, right?
The fucking kids meal. Fresh out the microwave.
That's a TV dinner. Jace, you need to wake up because we ordered you some food. Come on. We finished dinner. It was delicious. And now we walk into this little golf court. Right?
What color is that? Look. What color is that? Purple.
My cute little painter.
What color is that? Green?
It's like a mini golf thing here. Wow, this is cute right here. But you don't go too far in. A bowl? This is super cute. Look at the hippo. Jace, look, the hippo. A giraffe. Jace, look. What's that? Hippo. The swimming pool at night is a vibe. This is our hotel. It's like a freaking cruise ship. Oh, it's cute here. We gotta go here tomorrow. This is beautiful. Peaceful. That's what I want. We're definitely gonna come here tomorrow. We gotta come here tomorrow in the morning.
Wow. Oh, wow.
You hear the sound of those waves though?
There's a picture of it. They said the waves is crazy over there.
But you left my shoes in the stroller.
Oh, wow. Catch it from the knees up.
The boy was going to wear the shoes.
Knees up. We got the shoes with.
I don't know that great.
Huh?
We're going to the beach now. We had some time in the swimming pool, but you guys don't want to see that again. Let's go to the beach. Come on.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 4, 30, 30, 80, 11.
Slippery. Here we are, Jace. Say hi. Huh? This is Jace's second time at the beach. Right, Jace? My pants are getting dirty. These waves is crazy. I think the waves are kind of high. Look, baby, look at the water. Good, Jace. Uh-oh. Look, put your feet in the sand. You don't want sand on your legs? No? Come, feel the sand. Sit down, look. Sand. Come. Come on. He does not want to touch the sand for nothing. Come on. Stand up. Say hi, Jace. So this is my second time at the beach. Say hi. I'm trying to get him to touch the sand. He doesn't want to touch the sand. Please touch the sand. Come on. I want you to feel it. Come on. Hey. Touch it. Touch it. Come on. You scared? Fine. Then those waves look real huge. We're gonna go back in a few. I thought Jaime lost my phone, but it's here. Jaime went to get us some drinks, and we're gonna go back to the water. Right, Jace? Are you gonna touch the sand? Look. Go, Jace. Go, Jace. Go, Jace. Go, go, go. Yeah, we're looking toasty. Some drinks. Jace does not want to touch the sand. Why? Touch it, puppy. Touch it. Wow, what's that? Sand?
Sand.
No, he don't like it. Though.
Sand.
Yay! Hold on to me. Uh-oh. Yeah.
Whatever, stay right there, you good?
Look at my pants. They full of sand. Came to another restaurant. Supposed to be a Mexican restaurant. My camera is bugging.
I hope my shit is good, man.
This is supposed to be a guacamole with a
Yeah, guacamole.
chips. It's cute in here. Little Jace is like, he's still asleep. He's daydreaming.
Jace, wake up. Wake up and smell that Mexican food.
What's this? Cow. Alright, let me look it up again. I think that is a whole bottle because
That is. That's not a shot. I put a shot on
it says 750 milliliters. That's kind of big for a shot.
No, that's the bottle, baby.
So they're all bottles.
I thought it said shots on top. I use that.
The last one says
But I saw the shot
crema de
pictures.
tequila. So they're all bottles then, right?
Yeah. The first one is the good one. It's just smooth as hell. But a whole bottle they want.
You trying to spend that tonight?
On your car, yeah.
Ooh, it looks good. What you got?
Moits. You know
Again,
my
a
bottle.
mango, the girl drink.
What you got?
This is a margarita, a mango margarita.
She
It
got
looks
spice
good. I was going to try this.
on it. Toast?
Yo, look how. That's what I got for wearing the sunglasses in the sun. Now my nose is burnt. Yeah, let me try this drink. It's sour. Oh,
Margarita. They all sour. Oh. Messed me up, I think.
The drink is good. The rim thing is sour. Ooh.
Like, the feed is in a soup. They had
We
to
have
drop.
some tostadas. This is beef tostadas. And then you got the chicken ones over there. And then your soup and it's hot as well. I don't know what the hell's your problem.
Because when you eat soup before you eat,
It's supposed to go down good.
your body, yeah.
Why, you need Pepto-Bismol?
Gucci. Because I've been eating soup.
Because you don't eat salad.
We're eating beers left and right, you heard?
This little osito with rice, with egg, fried egg. Tastes like your food. You don't even care.
Don't do that.
Yeah, you got fish. And you got goat cheese.
Where he said that?
That yellow thing.
Where?
Try it. I don't really like it.
Dumb hot.
I burn my finger.
You take some cheese, it's probably in the middle.
Stop smelling it and taste it. You good?
I ain't taste the goat, I just tasted the yellow.
Yeah, as long as you like it. I got this.
This is like a patanillo.
It's supposed to be pumpkin seeds, meatballs, and rice. For dessert, churros with what? Vanilla ice cream?
Huh?
How many things? Our last room service. Are we gonna get room service for breakfast, or we don't have time?
We can.
Can you throw me a kiss? Do you love me?
That's what I live for.
Alright, we have here. That's chicken.
Don't get my hot dog. She looks like. That's not even mine, that's yours.
Yeah, okay. You just said don't get my hot dog.
I'm saying.
So this is fettuccine Alfredo. We got him his hot dog.
Let's talk about that.
Hey man, what's that? Bread rolls? Club sandwich. I pictured it with the other bun, not this one. And then we got Jason macaroni and cheese here. And again. So guys, today is our last night here in Mexico, in Cancun, and I'm kind of sad because every time I go on vacation I don't want to go home, but obviously we have to. We had a good time here. I feel like this vlog is a little sloppy because, to be honest, I wasn't really in the mood to vlog in the first place because I just wanted to spend time. I wanted to live in the moment with my family, but then I was like, I still want to have this as a memory because my baby is growing up, and I just want to have that as a memory for his first international trip. So yeah, so right now we're in the room. We just had that room service that I showed you guys a few minutes ago. Now we're just gonna prepare our stuff, get it ready for tomorrow, so that we don't have to be rushing in the morning to get our stuff repacked. Yeah. What else do I have to tell you guys? Well, I got sunburn, as you can see. Mind you, I had sunblock because I always put sunblock on my face. I need to put it on my body too, which is freaking stupid. Yeah, the sunblock. Maybe I didn't put enough on my nose, or it maybe came off because I was in the pool. But yeah, I got sunburn on my nose. I got sunburn on my shoulders, and they hurt so bad. But your girl got some color. Look at that. So yeah, I'm sad right here. Jace. Hello. Jace. Purpose, like, because he knows I'm telling him to stop. Typical kid. Jace, stop. This kid is freaking crazy. Hey. Hello. 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 Give me this. You can't break this. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this might not have been the most interesting vlog, but at the end of the day, it's still a memory for me, and that's mostly why I vlogged it. I vlogged it just for a memory, despite, you know, it not being as interesting for you. And if you guys did find it interesting, great. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if this video wasn't that interesting. I hope it was. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say hello. Bye-bye.